Hi guys, Horse from Supercar Sports here. So I have just bought a new car. That's right, here is my new beast.
A bit earlier, you just see my third car. It's different.
So here you join me with my new car. If we take a look inside, it has full fiberglass seats. Really nice interior.
Carbon fibre seats.
Oh, carbon fibre seats.
Yeah.
Cool racing harnesses and a cool roll cage as well.
4.5 kilograms each.
Fair enough. Let's watch that.
It's no bang, you've got to snap
Yeah.
it.
I'm not quite sure on the inches, but I like the way the wheels like curve around. It's like that with all the Carrera sort of badges.
You have to go round to get it square on, if you can.
So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video of my new car. April Fools. Yeah, it's not actually my car. Little joke, little wind up. I could never afford a £220,000 car.